one thing I wanted to point out here was that it's really nice how they don't have any tape aside from the main box, and this is really helpful because I don't want to be cutting open tape every 3 seconds. So, Prusa MK4S Kit build thus far. This is going to be more of a yap session, but it's just going to be a little bit of my experience on building this, and you can see that I haven't gotten super far into it, but I got most of the frame and the assembly all done. So the first thing I want to say is that it's a really nice kit, and everything is definitely well packaged. The unboxing experience was quite pleasant, of course. You guys saw that, and everything's like in its own little bag, and everything seems very high quality with like high quality materials used, and it definitely feels like it's worth the price. Well, we'll get to that. We'll see about that later. But so just some few points I want to point out is some parts of the assembly, they go super smoothly, and other parts for some reason don't. Like for example, some of the tapping, M5 tapping in these extrusions weren't as smoothly, you couldn't screw it in as smoothly as some other parts, and in some other like printed parts. For example, the Y belt idler right here, it's a printed part, and the nuts had a little bit of trouble sliding in. So for the most part, everything is fitting together nice and smoothly and as expected. You may need to use some force for some parts, and otherwise everything's going well. The instructions on their website are pretty nice. They do a pretty good job of telling you what to do, and I guess my build so far is going pretty good. Maybe I should tighten some screws here and there, but otherwise it's good. And one last concern I had is there's a ton of different screws and screw lengths, and they all come in these little packets. I can show you. You can see they come labeled. They're labeled, of course, but they come in these little packets, and they sort of become hard to manage because of how many packets there are. So that's just one thing you should be aware of, and you should definitely try to find an organization system, whether that's like these grid boxes that can organize your screws, because using the packets, quite honestly, it's a little bit overwhelming. But otherwise, the build is going pretty good so far. I'd definitely say a solid 8.5 out of 10 in terms of overall satisfaction with this kit. So wish me luck, and hopefully everything goes well from here on out, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thank you.